Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Today's video is going to be a very easy DIY, and I have been wanting to do this for a long time, and it's finally here. I finally found a pair of pants that I want to turn into a jacket. So that's what we're gonna do. I found these awesome Mario pants in the boys section at Goodwill. And of course they are way too small for me. And they are a little worn out. They do have some fuzz balls on it. And I am going to be using a sanding sponge. So I'll be using this to get the little fuzz balls off this. You can get these at Dollar Tree or probably Amazon. So let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, so like I said, the first step to do would be to remove any pilling. So I'm just gonna do that. All right, so I got most of the peeling off. It's not perfect, but it looks a heck of a lot better. I also forgot to mention in the beginning of this video, I think I did, that this is a no-sew project. So I know it says it in the title, but I just want to let you guys know again that this does not require any sewing. So it's really easy. And also I forgot to mention that I want to try to make this into a little crop top. I don't know if it's gonna fit me around here. Okay, so I have realized that if I try to make a top out of this, it's not gonna be enough length for me to make a jacket out of. So I think I'm gonna cut it way up here and we're gonna see what it looks like. You can use a rotary cutter or scissors. I probably should be using a rotary cutter, but I am going to use scissors. Okay, that was not enough, so we're gonna have to do more, I think. Okay, you guys, so I'm kind of embarrassed because I didn't realize that I would need more material in order to do a long sleeve jacket. So it's a short sleeve jacket. I kept cutting it and I had to make it bigger. So you want to cut it as close to the crotch area as you can, so that way you can get more room up here. I think it is still super cute. I'm not really crazy about the length of it, but I think I could add some more material to it to make it a long sleeve jacket. But yeah, like if you want to do a normal size jacket, then I would recommend maybe men's or women's pants instead of little boys pajama pants. But if you want a short sleeve one, then you could do the little kid pajamas. But I still think this print is really fun. I still like it. I think it's cool. But yeah, that's it. All you have to do is cut it, and if you have enough material, you might be able to make a crop top out of it, which I did not have enough. Yeah, that is it for this video. It's very short and simple and to the point. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little DIY. I haven't done a DIY video in a long time, and I don't do them as much as I used to. They take a lot of time to do, and they're fun, but very time consuming. But this one was very easy. Like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys for watching, and Jack and I will see you guys in our next video. Jack, come here. Do you want to say bye? Come here. It's your turn. Come here. Come say bye to everybody. Yeah, you love doing this, don't you? I thought you want to be in a video. Oh no. You're such a good boy. All right.